Yo, so welcome back to another video. So today we're going to be talking about the 5 things I hate about my 350Z. So what we're doing is we're going to go pick my friend up. We're then going to go for a little drive. We're going to give the car a clean, and then I'm going to show you around and show you the 5 things that I hate about my 350Z. This is specific to mine, not all 350Zs, so bear that in mind. Old lady crossing? No? So as you can see, the car is absolutely filthy. Look at those alloys. So pulled up at Tesco's. We're gonna give the car a little clean. Definitely needs a clean. It is absolutely filthy. So we've just given the car a wash. As you can see, it's nice and clean, nice and shiny. So just popping into Tesco's now, and then what we're going to do is we're going to go to a nice little spot. I'm going to show you around the car, show you 5 things that I hate about my 350Z. So here's the first thing about the 350Z that I hate. So with the doors, you open them up, they close. So the doors on the 350Z are very heavy. So another thing about my 350Z that I hate is the middle compartment doesn't work. So as you can see, my ones are a bit broken. This is something I need to get fixed, but I've tried to take it apart and super glue it, but that didn't work. So I kind of keep it always closed, and that way I know I'm just not going to have any problems and it still looks decent. So another thing with the 350Z is the boot. So opening this boot, you can't do it with one hand. So it's very awkward to do. You kind of have to use both hands to do this. So it is a very heavy boot. Opening it can be a bit of a pain sometimes. As you can see, it's still going up. Still going up. There you go. So it takes about 10 seconds or so for these struts to open the boot. And it is very heavy, so if you are opening it sometimes, it can be a bit of a pain. If you've got something in your hands, then you can't really open the boot because you need 2 hands to do it. Another one inside the car is the 2 speakers I've got, which are behind the passenger seat and the driver's seat. These don't work, so I need to get these 2 fixed, as at the moment I've only got these speakers that are down here and the little tweeters that are on the door. So at the moment the sound and the bass isn't that good, but I will definitely be getting these fixed at some point. So another thing as well is my gearbox is pretty messed up. So my 3rd gear, the synchros are pretty much gone. Same with the 5th gear. And sometimes my 1st gear, it just doesn't like to go in it very well. So I'll show you now what it sounds like when I'm driving along if I try and shift into 3rd a little bit too quickly. Even if I've got the clutch flat to the floor, sometimes I could be doing this and it will just go and it will just keep grinding. both crunch. This is because of the synchros. They both need replacing, but nowhere near me wants to do them. So I think the easiest thing is going to be getting a used gearbox and just fitting one of those instead. So I was just editing the video and I forgot to mention, as you can hear, my gear stick is rattling when it's towards the higher revs. This is because of the gearbox and because it does need replacing, so just forgot to mention that. So thank you all for watching. This is the end of the video. Here were the 5 things that I hated about my 350Z. If you've got any more video suggestions or anything else you'd like to see, let me know down in the comment section, and I'll see you in the next one.